how to add pop-up in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account. I'm going to hover over my website, and the first thing that I'll do is I'll open the WordPress dashboard. And once we have our website loaded in the WordPress dashboard, we want to locate Elementor and go to templates and select pop-ups. Here it should be the second option. Now it will add us or show us this option to add a new pop-up. Just click on it and we can name our templates. I'll just call it pop-up. So pop-up, create template, and it's going to load up in the editor here. So we can choose from some preset or pre-created pop-ups. I like the simplicity of this one, so I'll just insert it. You can do this for any pop-up that you want. So this is what it's going to look like currently. Now we can just go to style here and we can add our own image. So I'll just add this image and I'll select it. And we can also delete the unnecessary data here for or whichever one we want. So for example, I'll just right click here, delete this. I'll right click on the image, delete it. And you can obviously customize this to your liking. So be first to know about new arrivals. Okay, I'll just go here and I'll change this to don't leave yet. We can also add any new sections here, so we can add forms, and we can also change the submit button. So basically I'll just click on the edit section here. If I go to style, we can customize the font as well, but this is just as an example. So if we click on publish here, it is going to ask us for conditions. Now, obviously, you will customize the pop-up to your needs, and I'll click on add condition here. So we can include the entire site, archives, or we can exclude different conditions. For the triggers here, we can make this pop-up appear on page load within how many seconds, or we can make this appear after inactivity, so within 30 seconds. If they're just chilling on our website, in 30 seconds this is going to pop up. We can also add this on click, so for example on 3 clicks, or if you want to add this pop-up on page exit, this is probably going to be the most practical use of this pop-up on page exit. Then you'll click on next, and we can add advanced rules here as well. As you can see, show after X page views, show on devices, show on browsers, all browsers, custom browsers. You can add different browsers here as well. And basically after we customize this, we'll click on save and close, and that's how you add a pop-up on Elementor. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.